네, 안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. I am Carla, and today we are going to tackle another topic, which is a combination consonants or combined consonants. So, ang tawag sa combined consonants in Korean is 쌍짜음. 쌍짜음. Sang comes from the word combined or twins. Kaya naman ang tawag sa twin sisters or twin brothers is 쌍둥이. 쌍둥이 합니다. 자, so we have five combined consonants. At the same time, this is also similar with 14 consonants. So they also have initial and final sounds. At the same time, when you see the combined consonant, you pronounce it with stress or emphasize the pronunciation. So we have five combined consonants. Okay, the first one is sang kiyok. Sang kiyok. So si sang kiyok, ang initial niya is K and the final is K sound. So no more G sounds. Magsistick na lang siya sa K. So sang kiyok. Sang kiyok. The another combined consonants is sang tigat. Sang tigat. So ang initial niya is T and the final is no sounds. At the same time, wala talagang sang tigat na nasa final. So initial lang siya pagdating sa combination consonant. Sang tigat imita. Next one, sang piyet. Sang piyet. So, si sang piyet, ang initial sounds niya is P and the final is no. No sounds. At the same time, walang word in Korean na may final letter na P. Sang piyet. So, initial lang din siya. The next one, sang shiyut. Sang shiyut. Again, pagdating kay sang shiyut, we have still two sounds, S or SH. And same situation, when sang shiyut is with vowel E, we are using the SH sounds. Pero pag ang kasama niya is ibang vowel, so automatically it is S sounds. So again, SH sounds is exclusively only for vowel E. So, 상시우입니다. Okay, next one. Last but not the least, 이거는 쌍지읒. 쌍지읒. 쌍지읒, when it is in initial, it is J or CH. Why do we have CH sounds? So it is more on Z. Z. Mas stress sounds yung pag-pronounce sa kanya, but not aspirated. So again, this one is sang jiet. Sang jiet. All right. Okay. Anyway, like how I explained to you before, pag ang consonant ay nasa unahan ng word, we are using the initial sounds. But for example, the consonant is in the last part of the word, siya yung pinakahuling letra, we are using the final sounds of the word. Again, let's try to recap. We have five combined consonant, and if you're watching this video, please repeat after me. 따라하세요. 자, 쌍, 끼역. 쌍, 끼역. Next one, 쌍, 띠긋. 쌍, 띠긋. 다음에 쌍, 삐읍. 쌍, 삐읍. 이거는 쌍, 시옷. 쌍, 시옷. Right? last but not the least, this one is sang tiet. Sang tiet. More on, ang sounds niya is nasa lalamunan. Mas neck sounds. Like, 그런 뜻입니다. Again, these are the combination consonants. So, once na na-memorize na natin ang consonant or 14 consonant, mas madali na lang natin i-adapt yung 5 combination consonants since naisusulat lang siya ng dalawang beses. So, please study these consonants and at the same time, for our next meeting, we are also going to learn the combination vowels. Kung meron tayong combination consonant, we also have combination vowels. Again, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can send me a message in my Facebook account, Instagram, or TikTok, and even in YouTube. You can just also comment down below. So I will also send you reply. So thank you for today. Thank you. 너무 잘하셨어요. You did a good job, everyone. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. 다시 한번 저는 갈라라고 불러주시면 됩니다. Bye bye.